Now, please keep all your things as we proceed to our next subject, English. I-keep danay tanan ng mga gamit. Sulod sa bag. And please sit properly. Thank you. As we begin this subject, let me present to you our objective in this morning. Everybody read. Again. Thank you very much. So now let me present to you our classroom rules. Group 1, read. Listen to your teacher. So sometimes we discuss ko there in front, you need to listen with me to para may mabal naman kamo nga bago nga knowledge about sa aton nga topic this morning. Next. Yes, raise your right hand if you want to answer. So, raise ang right hand if you want to answer and if may ara ka mo pamangkot or some clarification. Understand? Yes. Next. Respect each other. So, this is our classroom rules. What will we do to our classroom rules? Yes, we need to follow and obey. So, before that, what was our topic ng last time or yesterday? Yes, it's all about noun. What is noun? Yes, it's referred to name of person, places, and animals and other things. Very good. Now, give me an example of noun. Yes, Anna, dog, cat. Very good. Now, before we will proceed to our next topic, I have here an activity. I have here an activity. Everybody read the first sentence. The first sentence. What do you think is in the blank? We have the dog blank fast. It run. Very good. Next. The children blank in the park. What do you think? Ang mga bata ko, no? Gaano sa park? Yes, very good. Playing. Next. The cat blank over the wall. Ang cat ko, no, Very good. Jump. Based on the sentences given, what are those things that you have been noticed sa aton nga mga sentences? What words tells us what they are doing? Yes, yes, run, played, and jump. So, mga ano ni sila? What do you think? Huh? Yes, it's an action. Very good. Mga action words ni sila. Dan, what do you think is what do you think we called about the action words? Ano mga tawag natin sa action word? Kung ang tawag natin sa pangalan is noun, ano naman ang tawag natin sa mga action word? Wala? Any idea? Yes, very good. It's what we called a verb. Verb is what we called an action word. Next, now we will discuss about verb. Everybody read what is verb? Next. Verb is a word that shows an action. Like what I have said earlier, na ang verb ko no is it shows an action word. But the verb has two kinds, which is the action and the state of being. Ang examples of action verb, ang mga action verb is run, jump, eat, and write. Then, ang state of being naman ko niya is, are, was. These are the example of an state of being verb. Now, who can give me an example of an action verb? Aside sa ari sa board. Ano pa? Yes? Jogging. Ano pa? Jog. Ano pa? Walking. Ano pa? Ano pa? Playing. Cooking. Very good. As long as nagagiyo and go work. Very good. Amo na siya ang ginatawag naton nga action verb. How about the state of being? We have is, are, was. Ano pa? Why na? Okay, very good. Now, I have here an example. Maria runs to the school every day. Maria runs to school every day. So, what do you think is our action words here? Anong action words? Di ko na. We have very good, runs. This is action or state of being. Very good is an action. Action verb. Next, he drank happy. He is happy. What do you think is the verb here in the sentence? Yes, very good. It is he is. What do you think? It is action or state of being? Yes, this is an state of being. Next, the children played in the park. We have very good play. This is an example of action. Now, Again, what is verb? Very good. Is an action or state of being verb. Next, why it is important to identify the verb and the sentences or in the sentence? Why do you think it is important to identify verb in the sentence? Yes, para mabalaan ta kung ano ang ginaobra niya. Very good. Kung ano ang obrahon, kag ang ulobrahon niya. Very good. Next. So, there is a clarification. Questions? Wala na? Yes. The verb tell us that someone or something to do or doing or happen, what happened or matabo pa lang in the future. This is the importance of the verb. Next. Kaya wala na pamangkot, I already prepared an activity I will group you into 3 groups. This will be the group 1, this will be the group 2, and this will be the group 3. So, maging prepared ko din ng mga sentences. After that, you're going to identify kung ano ni siya, identify ang verb and the sentence. Clear lang? Okay. Mag-prepare ko din sa mag-prepare ko din ng mga sentences. All you need to do is to circle some verb nga ara sa sentence. Mulong na. Do you understand? Yes, this will be in group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay. I will give you only 10 minutes to do your activity. Are you done? Done na? Group 1? Group 2? Wala pa tapos? Group 3? Tapos na? Manog tapos? So, group 1, wait ta danay ang group 2 and group 3. Okay? 1 minute. Tapos na? So now let us hear the presentation of group 1. Group 1, present your work here in front. Now, thank you very much, group 1. Let's discuss if it's correct of the work of group 1. So, number 1 question, the children played in the park. So, the verb here in that question or sentence is played, correct. Number 2, she is reading a book. She is reading a book. So, the verb here is reading. Very good. Next, they played basketball every afternoon. They play basketball every afternoon. So, the verb here in the sentence is play. Very good. She is happy. She is happy. So the verb here is yes, very good. I wrote a letter for my family. I wrote a letter to my family. So the verb here is wrote. Very good. Next, group 2. Group 2. Let's hear the discussion of group 2. Thank you very much, Group 2. Now let's check if the work of Group 2 is correct. First, the children played in the park. So, correct. Played is is the verb. Next, she is reading a book. Very good reading. They play basketball every afternoon. Very good play. She is happy. Yes, very good. I wrote a letter to my family. Very good wrote. Next, for the last group, present your work here in front. Thank you very much, Group 3. Now let's check the work of Group 3. Now, question number 1 or the sentence number 1. The children played in the park. We have very good play. Number 2, she is reading a book. Very good reading. They played basketball every afternoon. Very good play. She is happy. Very good. Yes, I wrote a letter to my family. Very good road. Now, let's give a very good clap to all of us. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, may harap pa pamangkot about sa lesson ta subong nga aga. La na. Now, please get 1/4 sheet of pad paper. 1/4. Yes. And ball pen. Papers up. Papers up. Ball pens up. Down. Write your name, grade, and section, as well as your school. Write your name, grade, and section, as well as your school. Everybody, please read the direction. Direction. Identify the verb and each sentence underline the verb. Okay. Direction. Identify the verb and each sentence says underline the verb. So you need to underline what is the verb in the sentence. I will give you only 5 minutes to do this activity, to answer this activity. Tapos na? Row 1. Ito gaginawad ng row 1. Tapos na? Kung tapos na, let's wait sa ato. Sa iban, kaya wala ga-answer pa sila. Danan, tapos na tanan. Okay. Papers up. Ball pens up. Down. Exchange your papers. Exchange your papers. And the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who can answer number 1? Yes, Angela. Number 2, Joshua. Number 3, Kim. 4, and number 5. Now let's check. Number 1, the boy runs every morning. So the verb here is runs. Very good, correct. Number 2, they are excited for party. We have very good, excited. Now I wrote a letter to my best friend. We have wrote. Very good. The birds sing in the morning. We have sing. Very good. She is my best friend. The verb here is very good. Now, who got 5 points? 5. Very good. 4. Very good. 3. Good. 2. Good. 1. Wala. 0. Wala. Very good. From 1. Now, may harap pa pamangkot about our lesson or discussion this morning. Wala na. May harap pa. Okay, wala na pamangkot. Everybody get your assignment notebook. Kindly get your assignment notebook. Ayan, assignment notebook up. Assignment notebook up. Down and write your assignment. For your assignment, everybody read. Alright. Write 5 sentences of your own. O, mahimo ka no? 5 ka sentences nga ikaw mismo ang himo. After that, you need to underline the verb. Very good. Dahil na buwas for our class discussion. Right? Copy. Tapos na. Alright. Everybody keep all their things. Keep na tanan na things. Wala na kami makita ang notebook, papel, lapis, ballpen sa inyong chairs. And that's all for today.